Then we want to have a look at our inner thighs, or our adductors. Now we're going to talk a little bit about these, but especially in relation to pectineus, which is right up close to the joint. We then have adductor brevis, brief, meaning short, have adductor longus and adductor magnus. Now, we want to think about the inner thighs in the way we talked about our core stability. The ones closest into the joint have a more postural role. They're designed to be on at a low intensity for a longer period of time. The ones that cover a bigger area are more movement-based muscles, so we need them to be able to work fast and kind of nice and quickly, especially if we're doing beats. The same scenario happens with our back or with our deep abdomen. If we don't have the endurance and control deep in the hip, the longer inner thighs will tend to grip on to try and stabilize. So when we're standing onto one leg, if pectineus and adductor brevis aren't functioning well, adductor longus and adductor magnus will go, "It's all right, we'll do it," and grip on and try and hold. This, unfortunately, results in a lot of tension in those big inner thigh muscles, which may be felt when they try to stretch out into second. So if anyone is struggling going into second and it's a very muscular, tight pull, I look at the deep internal stability of this hip to make sure that it's doing its job. When it is looking after itself, the outer ones can relax and can be available to be trained for fast movements and relax when they're not needed.